Hi there. Today we are going to see how to convert, text from the images into simple text. And for that, we require one software which is known as Tesseract. And I have already recorded a video, made video on that how to install Tesseract in Windows 10. So you can access the link, that video link from my iPol, or described in, and also it is described in description below. So let's begin with this video. So first we need to import PyTesseract, which is the library to convert from this image to text. So let's me import this PyTesseract, and then yeah, it is imported. See guys, sometime you might get problem because you have to install through pip. So pip, by this way you can install first and then import. Okay, install uh, by Tesseract. Okay, then by this way you can install it. But I have already installed it, that's why I need not to install like this. And next file I need is from PIL, which is for processing the image. This library is required, so import only. Import image. Okay, and the next one require for my this program is OS, because I'm going to assign directory, so I need OS. That's it. I require only 3 files, and our next step is to change my working directory, OS .cs directory. So my cs directory is, my working directory will be this only. So let me copy this and put it in single quotation. Just correct, let me correct it with the /. Yeah, and it is done. And now next we just need to call by Tesseract dot by Tesseract dot Tesseract underscore cmd, and here we need to assign cmd location. So just let me copy the cmd location, which is here. Okay, with exe, with the file name exe file name, and you don't forget to put /, because by default it comes with the backslash, so you have to put it /, and here is the exe file, you can see. So just copy the name and put it here. This is done, and the third line code is just to convert. So let's take one variable called as text, and we'll call this PyTesseract. Okay, dot, here we have image to string method, and in this I will directly call my image name, which is you can see here txt png. So let's me put here txt png. Yeah, and let's print text here. See, so congratulations. And for I have also done it for one of the file, which is bill I have taken from Amazon. So let's import, see this one, this is the bill, and let me convert this into text. So take this name, image img underscore text. So I will put their name directly here, img text. It's exactly name is, let me rename from here only, take the name from here. Okay, I'm converting this, put it here, it's done, and see, it's converted, exactly, it is converted. what is in image, all the address and things. Okay, of course not all the code, but of course majority of things is here. So we can see it is entered as it is. Thank you so much, guys. See you next video.